Ready, so today I'm going to be showing you guys how to remove the door panels on a 2018 through 2023 Honda Accord. Alright, these are the tools you're going to need. Just going to need a pry tool, and you're going to need a Phillips head. Phillips head screwdriver or power drill. Okay guys, let's get it started. Alright guys, so it's going to be the same method on all four doors, okay guys? We're going to start right here by taking off this first. We're going to be taking this off right here first, okay? Here we go. We're just going to pry it from right here. It just pops right out. After that, just going to have to unplug that right there. The driver's side door has two. This one right here only has one. Yours is not gonna have this. This for my LED lights, okay? Okay, after that, we're gonna have one screw right there. Let's remove that. Okay. After that's removed, you can start prying it off now. I usually like to start from this corner right here. Just pry it all around four corners. Okay. After that, you got it removed. Door panel is removed. Okay. There's a little shot of how it looks like after the door panel is removed. So yeah, very simple, very easy to door panel remove. It's the same method on all four doors. Okay guys, put it back on. Okay, put it back on. One of the easiest door panels to remove. So if you got a 2018 Honda Accord, you got lucky. But yeah, thanks for watching the video. If you guys have any other questions on anything else, let me know and I'll get back to you guys. Again, that's going to be for the 2018 through 2023 Honda Accord, guys. All right, so y'all take care and be easy.